A pilgrim travels through Barcelos. Is falsely accused and sentenced to be hanged.
This is brought before the judge, who has a roasted rooster.
He declares the roasted rooster will crow to prove his innocence. As he is about to be hanged, the roasted rooster crows. The judge arrests and finds the pilgrim alive, setting me free. The rooster shows us to always be honest. It brings happy feelings to the house. Now it is a special symbol for all of Portugal. This colorful rooster is a very important picture in Portugal.